Setting up your Amazon Smart Thermostat with Alexa is easier than it looks. And in this video, you'll see exactly how to do it, step by step. From wiring to connecting it in the Alexa app, everything you need to get started is right here. Before you start, make sure your HVAC system is compatible with the Amazon Smart Thermostat. You can check this by going to amazon.com/Amazon Smart Thermostat and selecting Check Compatibility in the Compatibility information box. Once you know it's compatible, it's a good idea to take a clear photo of your current thermostat wiring. This way, if you need to go back or double-check anything later, you'll have a reference. And before touching any wires, turn off the power from your breaker to stay safe during the setup. The thermostat needs to be installed on the wall before you connect it to Alexa. You'll remove the old thermostat, match the wires to the correct terminals on the new one, and mount it in place. Once the wiring is done and the faceplate is attached, the thermostat will power on. When it shows Set on the screen, that means it's ready to be connected through the Alexa app. So now we'll move to the app setup. Open the Alexa app on your phone and tap on Devices at the bottom. Then tap the plus sign in the top corner and choose Add Device. From the list, select Thermostat, and then choose Amazon as the brand. When it asks if the thermostat is already installed on the wall, select Yes. Now it will ask you to scan the QR code, which you'll find on the back of the blue welcome card or on the thermostat itself. Once the code is scanned, the app will start looking for the thermostat and connect it to your Wi-Fi network automatically. The app will ask you to confirm the connected wires like Y, G, C, W, and R. Then select your system type, such as forced air and natural gas. Next, it will test if the heat and fan work. Just tap Yes if they do. After that, choose whether you want Alexa to manage the temperature or set a daily schedule yourself. That's it for this video on how to set up your Amazon Smart Thermostat with Alexa. I hope this step-by-step guide made the setup process easy to follow and got your thermostat up and running. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Got any questions, or did the setup work smoothly for you? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.